Hello, in front of me I have FOSSIL Q Marshal, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the airplane mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the power button or tap on the screen. Then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here we have airplane mode icon. To enable the mode, simply tap on it, and to disable it, simply open the quick panel again and tap on the icon to disable the airplane mode. And that's how you enable the airplane mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.